In the world of trading, losses are an inevitable reality. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, encountering losing streaks is part of the journey. However, it's crucial to understand that losses don't define your trading career. In this video, we'll delve into the essential aspects you should focus on during a losing streak, helping you build resilience, improve your strategies, and ultimately find success in the trading world. Remember to watch the entire video. We also have several videos on the channel that we know you will surely enjoy. So watch them after watching this video. For everything else, free Forex courses, free Forex robots, free indicators, and the broker that I use personally, see the links in the description box below. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a topic that every trader faces at some point: losing streaks. We'll guide you through the key areas you need to direct your attention to during these challenging times. Remember, trading is a journey, and every setback presents an opportunity for growth and improvement. It's important to acknowledge that losses are an integral part of trading. No trading strategy is foolproof, and encountering losses, even consecutive ones, is normal. But here's the thing: these losses don't define your overall profitability or success. 1. Analyzing your trading journal. Your trading journal is your compass in troubled waters. If you're not already using one, start now. Your journal can reveal patterns, correlations, and mistakes you might be making. By carefully reviewing your entries, exits, and reasons for each trade, you can identify areas of improvement and adjust your strategy accordingly. 2. The importance of a trading system. Having a solid trading system is non-negotiable. Your strategy should include clear entry requirements, risk management protocols, and considerations for potential losses. Without a well-defined system, you risk falling into common pitfalls that could lead to unnecessary losses. 3. Effective risk management. Risk management is the guardian of your trading journey. Set limits for each trade's potential impact on your account, as well as your overall daily loss tolerance. Remember, consistency is key. Any changes to your risk management plan should be uniform across all trades. 4. Avoiding classic trading mistakes. Let's address some classic trading blunders that can lead to losses. These include trading without a journal, neglecting stop losses or take profit levels, revenge trading, and unrealistic expectations. Identifying and rectifying these errors can significantly enhance your trading performance. 5. Managing expectations. Unrealistic expectations can hinder your progress. Striking the right balance between ambition and realism is vital. Ensure your expectations align with your trading strategy and the goals you've set. This approach fosters consistent growth and tangible results. 6. Is trading right for you? Lastly, it's essential to evaluate whether trading suits you. Not everyone thrives in the trading world, and that's perfectly fine. If you find yourself disinterested, easily distracted, or overwhelmed by the stress, it might be worth exploring other opportunities that align better with your strengths and interests. Remember, trading is a journey of continuous learning and adaptation. While losses can be disheartening, they're also stepping stones towards success. By focusing on your trading journal, refining your strategy, mastering risk management, and avoiding common mistakes, you can navigate through losing streaks with resilience and determination. Embrace each loss as an opportunity for growth, and you'll emerge as a stronger, more consistent trader. Thank you for watching today's video on navigating losing streaks in trading. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy trading.